Windows start. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today the topic is a lot of people are asking me what is the difference between domestic lounge and international lounge. So before I begin my video, I have been to several airport lounges multiple times, like Bangalore domestic lounge, Bangalore international lounge. Recently I had been to Nepal lounge as well, and I've been to Delhi international airport lounge, Delhi domestic lounge, Mumbai international airport lounge. So if you want to see how the lounge looks like even before you want to visit, or if you want to visit a lounge on what cities have been to, or you're going there in the next few weeks or months, you can please check out those. I've linked it in the description below, and I've also added it in the cart here. So you will get a good experience on what is free, what is not free when you're trying to access a lounge, etc. So I hope that helps. So coming back to today's video, what is international lounge and what is domestic lounge? So domestic lounge is of two types. Let's say you're flying from Bangalore to Mumbai, and you clear the security process, you check in your luggage, clear the security process, and you go to the terminal where you're waiting for your gate. So near the gates you'll have lounges to access, and you go access the lounge. So that is domestic lounge. So another type of domestic lounges, let's say you're going from Bangalore to Bangkok or Bangalore to Dubai. So when you go to the international terminal of Bangalore airport, that is also a domestic lounge. So this is a very frequent question that I get. If you access international terminal, is it counted as international lounge? No, it is not counted. So whatever credit card you're holding that you access for domestic lounge, you can use the same card to swipe it in the international terminal of your domestic lounge. So it's very simple. So you don't have to really break your head about this. Let's say you're going from Bangalore to Dubai tomorrow, and you just get into the international terminal and you show the same card in the international terminal lounge in the Bangalore airport, and you get all the same facilities, even better facilities in international terminal, where you have alcohol unlimited in Delhi international airport lounge. In Bangalore international airport lounge, you have per card you have 2 drinks complimentary. So there is always a higher benefit when you are accessing international lounge compared to domestic lounge. So this is about domestic lounge. So if you have any confusion about this, accessing these domestic lounges, please do ping me on the comment section, or reach out to me on Instagram for immediate response. I'll leave my Instagram ID here. So I hope you're clear about this domestic lounge terminals. The same card, whatever you're holding, will work for domestic terminal as well as international terminal, but this is still a domestic lounge. So let's say you reached Bangkok or Dubai, and you're traveling from, let's take the Bangkok example. Let's say you're traveling from Bangkok to Bangalore, and in Suvarnabhumi airport or Don Mang airport, you see a lounge and you want to access it. So that lounge is called international lounge. It's not called domestic lounge because it's not within India, and that lounge is international lounge, where you should have a permit on your card. I've made a separate dedicated video of how to get the priority pass. I've linked it here in the cart, and I've also linked it in the description below. So if you want to know how to get a priority pass to access in international airport lounges, like I said, I've made a dedicated video about it. You can have a look, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to me immediately. Priority pass does not require any PIN like the normal credit cards. You can just go use your priority pass, and it's as good as swiping it without a PIN, setting a PIN or generating a PIN prior to this. So don't worry about generating a PIN. I've done a lot of research about it, and at the end, when I swiped it in Nepal airport, there was no PIN required. So when you are traveling, let's say from Bangkok to Bangalore, and you access lounge in Suvarnabhumi airport or Don Mang airport, that is called as international lounge. So international lounges are very beautiful. I've been to Dubai Terminal 2 international lounge, and recently I've been to Nepal international lounge. So in HDFC regalia card, I'll speak about HDFC regalia card. Within HDFC regalia card, you get 12 domestic lounges. That is nothing but what I explained explained at the beginning of my video, that you can access in domestic terminal as well as international terminal. So that you get 12 free of cost per annum, and you can swipe 5 days 5. It's nothing like per quarter. You can swipe 10 days 10 lounges, no questions asked. So the limit per annum is 12, and you also get 6 additional international airport lounge swipes. So this international airport lounge swipe is nothing but when you're swiping in Dubai, or when you're swiping in Maldives, or when you're swiping in Bangkok. So that is basically you are using your international access on your credit card. So a normal credit card, if for the guys specifically who are holding HDFC Regalia card, this is not related to Diners Club, it's only related to HDFC Regalia card. So for the people who are holding HDFC Regalia card, you have nothing to worry about. So you can just call the customer care, ask for priority pass, which will be given free of cost, and you can only swipe priority pass free of cost in international lounges. If you try to swipe your own credit card, please remember guys, the bill will be generated after 3 months. So they might accept the credit card, they might swipe it, you might think it is free of cost, but you will be billed around $50, 25 USD plus GST, or 50 USD plus GST, depends on the lounge. So you might be even charged for that, and the bill is only going to be generated after 3 months. So please remember this. Without contact the customer care for any questions. Reach out to your relationship managers in your bank. We have a very good service in HDFC where the relationship manager is continuously in touch with me and clarifies all my questions. So if you have any questions, reach out to your customer care. And I hope you guys understood about what is international airport lounge and what is domestic airport lounge and how to access, etc. Like I've said at the beginning of my video, if you have any questions on accessing these lounges, or which card is actually used, or what card I use, so you can always ping me on Instagram for instant response, or comment in the comment section if you want to know any details, or look at my old lounge videos where I explain about different things about how to access lounge, etc. So I hope this video was really helpful. I'll catch you guys in my next video. So until then, goodbye.